What's going on, everybody? I hope y'all are having another good day, man. I tell you guys what, we got a bunch of unexpected news today. I figured I'd talk about that, but also we got some good stuff because we do got some parts that came in that is much needed for the 3rd gen Cummins. Like always, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I thank you guys so much. Thank you for checking out the video. No, this is not the same video last time. I just happened to be wearing the same shirt. No, yes, I did wash it. It's just a different time, but I put the same shirt on. I don't know, whatever. I have a very small wardrobe. First thing I figure I will talk about is I gotta do 2 shout outs, all right? My first shout out is going to go to Ryan. I got his name on my phone. Ryan Dussel, thank you so much for the advice and the help when it came to the AC compressor in the truck and everything. You were so much help, brother. I really appreciate it. Number 2 shout out is gonna go to Jamarel Johnson. Once again, I know you watch videos. Thank you so much, man. Both of you 2 came together like so much information on terms of the AC system. I was completely convinced I was going to be taking this truck to get professionally done, but now I'm going to be doing it myself. And to go on top of that, we already got some parts in regards to the AC system. So if you're not up to spool, yes, the AC system is not working on the truck. It just blows air. Compressor does not engage. It died pretty much. So we're going to be changing out some stuff on the AC system in order to get it running good and cold, because it's coming summer. Like all of them, it's gonna be hot and brutal, so I need my AC, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the parts we got for that, and then we'll talk about some other stuff, okay? All right, you guys, so first thing we got here is a Denso, brand new Denso AC compressor. I trust this brand because I believe if it's not Mopar, this is like the 2nd best brand compressor you can run in your truck. For the part number, it's right here. It's 4716046. That is the part number. You can even see it right there too. Whatever, never mind. But yeah, 4716046. That is the part number for this exact Denso compressor. It is 100% brand new. You guys, I love eBay. This was a brand new, never used before AC compressor that normally retails for about $250 to $400. eBay, one time, $119. Nothing wrong with it. Brand new, never used. Awesome. Awesome. So yeah, I'm pumped about that, and it already has the PAG 46 oil in it, so we don't have to worry about oil in it when we install her. I'm also going to be ordering, I gotta make sure I say it right, I'm gonna be ordering a new orifice tube and then a new receiver or dryer, the black bottle that is your low side is connected to, pretty sure your accumulator. I'm going to be ordering a new one of those, and then I'm also most likely going to be ordering a new AC compressor, or not compressor, condenser, the part that goes in the front of the intercooler. Guys, I talked about some good stuff right now in terms of parts. We're already getting parts in for the AC system on the truck. She should be nice and cold within the next 2 weeks, but we got some unfortunate news. So a lot of you know, and if you don't know, I am in the military. I'm in the Marine Corps, United States Marine Corps. And long story short, part of that and everything is you don't have the freedom, and you can't do whatever you want to do whenever you want to do. Okay, there's a time and a place for everything. So with that, because of the virus and stuff, all I'm gonna say is that I no longer will not be making it to the Music City Showdown truck as of today, which I believe is March. I think today is what, March 13th, March 14th. March 14th. So as of March 14th right now, I will not be making it to the Music City Showdown for obvious reasons. I'll just say it's work related and leave it to that, but that's not solidified. It may change down the road, but as of right now, I will not be making it. I'm extremely bummed out, disappointed, especially it was the first truck show. I was expecting to meet up with Eric with his 4th gen and stuff and get content and have a good time, but it is what it is, man. There's more. That wasn't the only truck show I was going to this season, so I'm definitely going to be at some other ones. So now I just got to look forward even more to shows like Daytona, Rudy's, Myrtle Beach truck show and stuff like that, okay? So you know, a little bad news, but we're gonna finish up with some good news. You guys, next week, we are going to be ordering a lot of stuff for the truck. From the interior, I know a couple of y'all was asking, what am I doing with the interior? Don't mind the car seat, it's my son's. But behind that seat, we're gonna have some stuff back there. We're gonna have some stuff in there, and we're gonna have some stuff on the front side. Okay, gonna be doing that next week. I'm also gonna be ordering my index ring kit for the transfer case. Just real quick, if you weren't sure what an index ring kit was, you gotta get down here and squat. So you got your T case right here, and then you can't see it, but where that T case input shaft, that output shaft is, the index ring kit just reclocks that T case, so that way the angle on your front drive shaft is not as harsh. You know, it kind of levels it out a little bit, so that way it's not as much stress, and it takes out the vibration. So we're gonna be ordering T index ring kit. My man Kevin over at Full Send Diesel, we should be getting back over to his shop, installing some long arms on this bad boy, so taking out these stock garbage ones, and then we are really close to putting on the 8-inch lift on this bad boy. Just got a couple more things, man, I'm just waiting on. Also, my tail lights came in. If you guys didn't know, my right tail light is busted. If you don't know why, go check out 2 videos ago or 3 videos ago, I don't remember. But we got new tail light replacement in. I gotta fix it, or I gotta cut it open, paint it. I'm not gonna do that on camera just because you guys seen it already. But besides the pollen driving me crazy because it's all over my truck and it's just yellow, and the whole sky just has like a hazy. That, and people been burning wood too, but it's just a haziness over the entire city right now. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be all right, you know. I'm not worried about it. But I figured I'd tell you guys this, bring you guys up to speed on what's going on with the channel, what's going on with me, and everything else like that. But I haven't done one of these Q&A videos in a minute, so we're gonna switch it up. Today's Saturday, March 14th. Tomorrow is March 15th. I will make a video tomorrow and post it tomorrow with any question you ask on this video, and comment down below. If you ask a question on this video, I will make a video tomorrow answering any question you have in terms of bills, turbo, anything with diesel. It could be anything, football, I don't care, sports, whatever. Any question you have today, if you ask in the video below, I will answer tomorrow and post a video on YouTube. Okay, I haven't done that in a while. All right, yeah, it's been a long time since I've done that. I think it'll be pretty cool. Looking forward to hearing the interesting questions we get from you guys. So yeah, all right. So until next time, you guys, take it easy. Thank you for checking out the video. Until next time, be safe, have a good weekend. I love you all. Take care.